Ashley, what the hell are you doing, dude? Ash! Ashley! Ashley, what are you doing? Why is all your clothes on? Babe, Ashley. Ash? Hey, what's wrong? Are you okay? Ash, stop. Ashley. Ash, what is wrong? What's wrong, baby? Come here. Come here. Come on, get out of here. Come talk to me. Come on, stand.
Are you looking for gift ideas? Here are some Dank Mim merch. They are perfect gifts for your friends, your family, and yourself. They offer worldwide shipping. They have a very wide selection. They have amazing prices and sales. Great for everybody. Just click the link in the description.
Babe? What are you doing? Baby, hey. What are you doing?
Just let me cry.
Why are you crying? Hey, baby, oh my goodness. Hey, look at me. What's wrong? Why are you in the shower? Baby, come here. What are you doing? What's wrong, mommy? Why are you laughing? Real nice.
Why didn't you ask why I have my clothes on?
Well, clearly something was wrong. You're sitting on the floor of the shower crying.
With my clothes on?
Well, yeah, that makes it worse, but it's like, clearly something's already wrong. The last thing I'm worried about is your clothes.
This feels so weird. Baby.
What? What's wrong? Baby, what's wrong? What's wrong? Talk to me, baby. You know I'm here for you, right?
I don't know.
What's wrong, baby? Talk to me.
A lot of stuff.
Are you sure? Tell me. You okay?
No.
You want me to go get you? You want me to go get you? Ice cream or something? Want me to go get you some food?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, come on.
I want you to get all your stuff right there and leave. I already packed it up for you. I don't want to hear you talking. You already know what you did. Just grab your stuff and go.
What did I do?
Babe, just grab all your stuff and go.
I didn't do anything.
You're just being annoying. Please just grab your stuff
Annoying?
and go.
Okay.
I don't want to be near you right now. Grab all your stuff.
All my stuff?
Yes, all your stuff. What are you doing? Wait, what are you doing?
This booty's mine
What are
too,
you
so
doing?
let's
Are
go.
you serious?
What are you doing? Hey. Ready. What's the matter?
Wait, what? Wait, what?
Love you. Go pee, Brennan.
I already went, Mom.
The video.
Alright, babe, so we're about to do the one.